What's up YouTube, it's your girl Jayda Jonét, and I'm back with another video. And as you already see by the title, today I'm going to be installing this wig from WestKissHair company. I'm going to be showing you guys this 28-inch body wave 300 density wig, y'all. Yes, 300 density. That is such a full wig. Major shout out to Westkiss for sponsoring this video, but let's go ahead and get into the goodies that they sent me. A bonnet, lashes, edge brush, a cap, and everything that I'm basically going to need for the install. What I love about Westkiss is the wig comes already done for you. As you see, it's already curled, and look, it's even bleached as well. Those knots are completely yellow, and I love that because that's one less step for me. That's also helpful for my girls who find it a little bit complicating. Now, as far as the density, 300, I've never gotten a wig this thick. It is very, very beautiful. So on to the install, I'm going to start off with my ball cap. Using an HD wig cap, I'm going to apply it with my Erica J Hold Me Down Lace Glue. I'm going to do a thin layer of the glue, and then I'm going to use a hairspray just to make sure that it is giving enough hold. Once the white glue has dried clear, you're going to go in with your makeup. I use Kiss's Cream Foundation in the shade 11. After that, I'm going to cut off the extra cap with my shears. Once that is complete, you're going to go ahead and start trying the wig on just to see if you need to cut any excess lace or pluck any extra according to your hairline. So as you see, I am going in with my tweezer man tweezers and plucking a bit of hair out. As you see, this was a pretty big lace, so I did have to cut some of the sides off on the ear tabs because it was not needed. So I'm going to go in with some alcohol, and I'm going to clean off my hairline for any excess oils or makeup. Now that the wig is sized properly, we are going to go ahead and install it. Using the same makeup that I used on the cap, I'm going to apply it very lightly onto the wig. If you do overdo this, it can give an orange appearance, so make sure you go with a very light hand. So I used the same Erica J Hold Me Down glue, and I'm going to apply that to the perimeter of the wig cap. I'm going to make sure to do very thin but wide layers, and this is going to help the wig stay the best. I apply it to the line and I smooth it out with my comb, making sure that it dries properly. The amount of layers is optional. It just depends on the amount of hold you want. I did do 3 layers, and then I pulled my wig down into the glue once it dried clear. Once it dries clear, you're going to pull your wig down and you're going to make tap motions with your fingers. And you can also use the comb to make sure that the wig lays down into the glue. Immediately after that, I'm going to go in with the elastic band that they sent me, and I'm going to tie that around it, and this is for the initial melt. I leave that on for 10 minutes and then I take it off and I cut my lace with a straight razor. Here I was just trying to style because I actually like the no baby hair, but I wanted to do a side part, so this was just an idea. But now I'm gonna go in and start creating my part. I am a side part girly, so that is what I wanted to go for. To get a wig completely smooth, you're gonna use a wax stick. You can use a very mild hairspray, and you're gonna use a hot comb. I'm just taking small sections and flatten them out as I go up the wig to the side that I parted. So hot comb everything, even the back. A lot of people neglect the back of their wig, but you have to make sure that that is done as well, and make sure that you're covering your tracks. Now for my edges, I'm going to pull out my side part. Then I'm going to go in with my melting spray and apply that across the hairline. Let that properly dry, and then I'm going to go back in with the elastic band to make sure we get that extra melt. Now back to the edges. Once you pull them out, you can go ahead and start plucking them. Chances are that they're going to be pretty thick, especially when you're doing this deep side part edge. You want to make sure you thin that out thoroughly. After that, you cut them with a straight razor, you curl them, and then I use either hairspray or got to be gelled, a combo of the both, depending on if I want softer or more firm edges. Side part and sideburn combo is literally my favorite look. I just think it's so nice. gonna go in with that same makeup and clean up my parts, and I'm gonna do my edges the exact same on the other side. Now for the styling, you can go in with a light serum. You don't want to overdo it with the product because it can weigh the hair down. But I did take my T3s and do light curls on them, more like light waves, and this just helped with the look altogether. Once I was satisfied, I did apply a little bit more oil to the hair. I wore it the first day, then the next day I did wake up and refresh the curls. As you see, I was going somewhere, so it looked a little bit nicer and put together. But this is pretty much how I get this look. I love a good side part. I just feel like it eats down so bad. I literally transformed this wig. I did layer it a good bit, but it looks really nice. I feel like it's super dense, and I love that because that just makes the layers and the curls eat so much more. I love everything about this wig. Sometimes you do gotta tweak it and add a little face framing to customize it to you, because that just creates the look, that creates that salon quality finish. But major shout out to WestKissHair for sponsoring this video. I love everything about this hair. This is it from the back. This is where it falls on me. I did keep a good bit of the length, even though I did cut a good bit of layers in the front, but I was very satisfied with this install. You can't beat pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-curled, pre-everything. Love everything about this hair. It is super soft and silky. Westkiss is literally one of my favorite brands. It's always a pleasure working with them. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Big ass